In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the constant contact branding from your campaign footer. We'll walk through a simple process to keep your emails, forms, or campaigns looking clean and on brand. This is especially helpful if you want your audience to focus on your message without extra logos in the footer. Keep in mind that the ability to hide branding depends on your plan, but I'll show you exactly where to find the setting. Start by logging into your Constant Contact account. Once you're on your dashboard, open the item where the footer appears. This could be an email you're drafting, a landing page or sign up form, or another type of campaign. Navigate to the specific campaign you want to edit and open it so you can make changes. Next, go into the editor or settings area for that item. If you're editing an email, click Edit to open the email designer. For forms or other campaigns, look for a settings panel or a gear icon. The goal here is to access the place where global or design settings are managed for that campaign. Now locate the section that controls the footer and branding. This might be labeled footer, branding, brand settings, or constant contact logo, depending on the template and campaign type. In many editors, you'll find it in a sidebar under Design or Layout. Open that section and look for a toggle or checkbox related to Powered by Constant Contact or a similar branding option. If your plan allows it, turn off or hide the branding. You should see the Constant Contact logo or mention disappear from the footer in the live preview within the editor. If you don't see an option to hide it, that usually means your current plan keeps the branding visible. In that case, the control may be grayed out or missing. When you're done, save your changes. Look for Save, Done, or a similar button to make sure your edits are applied. Then preview the campaign. Use the built-in preview to check both desktop and mobile views, and scroll down to the footer to confirm the branding is gone, while the required details, like your physical address and unsubscribed links, still appear. Those are essential for compliance and should remain intact. If the branding still appears after you've hidden it, double check that you saved the changes and that you're previewing the correct version of the campaign. Sometimes switching templates or editing a different draft can cause confusion, and that's it. You've successfully hidden the Constant Contact branding in your footer, keeping your campaign cohesive and professional.